Creating the Grammarly account seems easy, but very few people know the correct way of creating the Grammarly account. So to do that, first of all, go to the description of this video and click the first link which is in the description. This link will take you to the Grammarly homepage. Here on the top, you would see this option of Get Grammarly. It's free. Click on this. So you will reach to the sign up page. Here you can create the Grammarly account either by adding your email address, adding the password or name, or else you can use the Google, Facebook or Apple ID to create the Grammarly account. I will be showing you how you can do that with the Google account. So I'm just going to click on the Google. So here I'm going to add my email address. Click next, enter the password if it is not already stored in your browser. So in the next step, it will ask you for the two-step verification, whereby it will send a code onto your mobile which you have attached with your Google account. Check your mobile and see the code, enter that code here and click next. So after you have created the account, you would reach to the Grammarly home page or the Grammarly editors page, where you will have the earlier created documents, and you can start by clicking any previous document. And once you will open the any document, whether it is new or the previous one, the Grammarly editor will ask you to set the goals. As you can see here, that it is asking you about your audience, whether it is journal, knowledgeable or expert. So here you can select that what kind of a language you want to write, whether you want to write it in an informal, neutral or a formal language, and what is the domain, whether it is academic, business, journal, email, casual or creative. So you can change any one of them. And similarly, what is your intent, whether you want to inform someone, did you want to describe anything, whether you are conceiving an idea or you are telling a story. So all these you can set the goals, and once you're done you can click done, and within the editor you will see that all those features which we have already been talking about, that the spelling, grammar, punctuation related errors, and it will also give you the score about the writing that you have created. And if you go to the home page, you can create a new document from here and you can start to write within the Grammarly editor. And if you're interested in how you can get the Grammarly premium for free, you should check out this video. And once you are ready to buy the Grammarly and you're wondering how you can buy the Grammarly, you can check out this video in which we have explained a method how you can buy the Grammarly premium.